But yo, I got a story to tell. First off, get up while I felt your real. The second good in hell, but to me, it was heaven. God committed grace, amazing was a blessing. And how would you feel if you had to catch it? Had to love it, be a jealous. Have to walk the water out of the ground. The way they took it down to life, what is around? Never take and we're making it happen. For profit, for self-it, that's how it be surviving. At mga kaibigan at hindi kayo, ako'y may nalagalang balita galing sa bayan ko. Nasanakyo, ipamahagi ang mga kwento, ang mga pangyayaring nagaganap sa bulkan at pinatubo. It's been well done. I'm back home to my home. Man, it feels good to be back at home. And it's been a day clean over door all alone. I was fortunate when the first left a piece of pen off way down my life. And the portal and the chicken Because waiting on Moses Outfield now. Life changed me from the U.S. But back at home, man, life was a mess. I guess sometimes get your pain. On me so brother, wish I could have. Come on, everybody! Lapit mga kaibigan ang makinig kayo. Di manaladalang galing sa bayan. Ipamahagi ang mga kwento, ang mga pangyayaring nagaganap sa Bulacan, ang pinatubo. Mawang